Yo, what's happening guys? We are in Pill today. Let's have a look around. Let's flip you around so you can see what's going on. So yeah, this is Newport Pilgwenlli. I think it's pronounced Pilgwenlli or Pilgwenlli or... Yeah, this is Newport Pill. One of the roughest areas in Newport. If not the roughest area in Newport. Just to see if there's anything happening. See what's about. Just have a little look around.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, this is Pill. Look at this rundown derelict. Look at it, man.
I just had to pick my tablets up.
I'm just going to have a wander through, have a look. Here I've got them now as well. Cheers, look. Some dodgy people about as well, mate. I see a lot of that. Right, look at the state of the place, man. It's mad. We will let these go. Wait, come here. Come on in. Supposed to stop, but dickhead. Newport. Pill, look at the bridge. You can see it in the distance. It's not there, nothing. Nothing down there. Oh, look at that, we crossed and we shouldn't have. What's that? Newport Pill. What's down here? Nothing down here. We're going to cross over by how we are. Cheers.
Lovely, bro.
Cheers, bud. Come on, then, quickly. Everybody loves a bit of Luna. They all love Luna. I'll be even close. Oh, sorry, bud. in. See what the crack is. Christ, this place is rough. But I suppose, you know, there's good and there's bad everywhere, I guess. There seems to be a lot more bad around areas like this than good. Let's see what's down the bottom here now. And we might turn back up and go up. Maybe have a look through some of the side streets. Come on. Believe it or not, it's actually my first time in Pill. Actually the first time I've ever been there. I've never been here before. Been to Newport quite a few times, you know, I just never come this far down. The furthest I've gone would have been the court. What's around here then? Look at this. Just look at the state of the place. Just a fucking tip, man. Horrible. Horrible place. Real nasty place. What's down here then? Yeah, we're not gonna actually, yeah, fuck it, we'll have a little wander down here. Just gonna have a look. Alexander Court. DJP bikes. Got a transport up edge down by there. Yeah, we're not going to go any further, but we're going to turn around. Come on. I think we're gonna walk back up through the street by here now. So yeah, I think we're going to walk up there, have a look, see what the crack is. See what's happening to things. Luna, wait. So yeah, this is some of the backside streets of Pill. We're just gonna have a walk back up to the side streets to see if we can see anything, see if anything's about. See what the crack are lacking. Look at that Sierra. That's sick. Been a long time since I've seen a Sierra like that. Whoa, look at that squirrel. Whoa, he just literally just come out of nowhere. Mad. No, no. Just look at the state of the place. Fucking diabolical. She's trying to wrap me up. Let's go up here. This don't knock so well. See? I don't know what people are talking about. This don't look so rough to me. Don't get me wrong, you've got all the druggy areas and that. Other places like a suck. Nice little spot. You're just gonna go up and along there. Look at this. Come here, babe. Look at that. We're going somewhere here I want to have a look at. Actually, something over here I want to see. Look, what's that? You see that hill? Let's go and have a look. Let's figure out what that thing is. There's a little park thingy thing by it. Look at that. No dogs allowed in it. What's this? What is this? And why does this path only go to here? What the hell? It's a bit of a strange one. You might have to ask somebody what the hell that is. Or was, or supposed to be. Mad one. Now you got some guy doing a bit of spray painting. Cool to see. Go down through here. See where this takes us. I'm not gonna lie, I ain't got a fucking clue where I am. I think I'm in Pill. Yeah. Pilgwenlli. Maybe I'll see flying stuff. So yeah, these are the side streets of Pill then. This is the real Pill then. Nothing happening. You see some things in Pill, man. That was great. The kids' electric motorbike. No, come here, babe. Come here. Hi. I'm not gonna lie, if we are where I think we are, how the hell do we get here? Let's go and have a look. We literally walked down and now I'm pretty sure we're by the hospital. I'm pretty sure the hospital's not that far. Surely. It's not that close, surely. We can walk there for 20 minutes. We walk down and back up the other side. And yeah, I can see it over the top of the houses now, look. We are by the hospital. And we're on the far side of it as well, by the looks of it, I think. Is it? It is. We are. Fair enough. I tell you what, guys. I'm going to end this one there. But I'm going to have a look up at the hospital now and get another one. So check the one after this to see if you want to see the hospital. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.